Well, it got to you? Oh, it got to you?
I got it in my nose.
Well, I'm sorry you got it in your nose. I guess it was that bad. Had to go all the way outside. Whew. Shoot. Okay, I really hate this. I accidentally bought 120, 40, 45. Yeah, $105 worth of weed. I still haven't got all of it yet. But, because I'm going to be trying one of those vape pen thingies. But, yeah. We're at a new place. We're living in a new place. Some of it got stolen. Like, okay. Does this look like 65 of Reggie? It was up to here. And now I'm just like, I've had 2 blunts. I know my husband, he's literally, he just smokes out of this. He smokes out of this because, he's not allowed to have glass pieces. He really is not. Because when he likes to fight, he likes to throw. Woo! Lost some pretty pieces to that. And I have started to buy not glass pieces, even though I had a metal 6-shooter, but I don't know, I just don't like the taste after a while of non-glass pieces, because you just can't clean them as well. Where the hell did he go? Baby! Baby! Where'd you go? What?
I never seen Nick cry.
Nick's
I'm
crying?
on the phone with Christina and he's crying.
What? So you're crying? No, you're crying.
And then I said,
Boy!
well, if I was in jail, you'd be crying too.
No, I broke a window, remember?
Yeah, and then you got me out of jail.
Yeah, I broke a window to get you out of jail. Okay, where's the lighter? Did you take it again? My husband's the number 1 lighter thief I know. Okay, then where the hell is it? Don't we have 2?
And I got to tell Christina hi.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
How do we find this lighter?
It's right there. I just saw it over there, baby.
Just saw it over where?
Over there on your nightstand. It's probably behind your phone.
No, there ain't no lighter behind my phone.
I don't know where it is, baby.
Well,
I don't have it.
It's in my lap.
Dumbass.
By the way, it took me forever to sign up for this because, yeah, I got stoned.
I'm gonna put some of this,
What is it you say, baby? You got stoned and you what?
got stoned and I lost it or some shit like that. I don't know. Where's the other sausages? I didn't put them all in there. Did I put them in the icebox? Yes.
So what are you cooking?
Chicken nuggets.
With what?
I should cook them all together, I guess.
Yes, you should cook them all together.
I told
I-
her.
No! Whatever. Okay. You know I don't like sharing.
Baby.
Okay.
Jenny's not home to cook for me. I don't think she cooks ever either.
That kitchen does not look like it's been used. But I didn't say that.
Come in. So, I just started crying because she was crying. I was like, I've never seen